Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use your G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse without G-Hub on your computer and what limitations come with it. So in terms of connectivity, your mouse is totally plug and play, so you just have to remove the dongle and insert it into your computer to start using it. You can also use the USB-C cable to use it with a wire, or you can use the Bluetooth connection and connect it to your PC using Bluetooth. And in terms of everything else, without G-Hub installed on our computer, we can still do many things. First of all, we can set up our mouse and adjust the profiles, save them to the onboard memory of our mouse using the G-Hub application, and then we can uninstall it or connect our mouse to a different computer, and it will have the very same custom configuration as we configured on it. But this also comes with some limitations. For example, we cannot save some difficult assignments to onboard profiles. So if we go to G-Hub and open our mouse menu and go to assignments, for example, we cannot save macros. At least I wasn't able to save macros on a mouse and then use them using an onboard profile. They simply didn't get triggered until I disabled the onboard mode. But still, we can assign things like basically all the commands we have in here, keys, actions, etc. And one thing that we have to do is assign one button for onboard profile cycle to be able to quickly switch between different profiles we have on our mouse. So the idea is that you create a new profile by going to Profile menu, Manage Profiles. Then you add some profiles and adjust them to your needs, right? And you adjust each profile. You go to your mouse settings, you go to sensitivity settings, you adjust your sensitivity settings, you adjust your LightSync settings, you go to assignments and select one button that you don't need. For example, this one. Go to System and search for cycle. Find onboard profile cycle and assign this feature to your mouse. Then if you use this profile, go to settings of your device, onboard mode, enable this feature, and then select, for example, slot 2 and import default profile right here. You'll be able to, having onboard mode enabled, press this button and switch to the next profile, but I think I did something wrong since it didn't work. I must have assigned the wrong profile. Describe, okay, yeah, because it was the wrong profile. It's not the default one. Yes, it's this one. Okay, and now having this mode enabled, let's disable this one because it doesn't have our custom key. Now we can press this key and switch between our profiles, and as you can see, we can have 5 different profiles, each with its own preset DPIs, light settings, and assignment. So yeah, you can basically have up to 5 different modes directly on your mouse without the need to use G-Hub application. You just plug in your mouse to your computer and using one unused click, you switch between different modes and use pretty much almost everything you can get from your mouse, except for the macros, as I said. And it's actually, it's a shame because macros are actually a cool feature, and I would really like would love to Logitech to implement it into the onboard memory so we can save it in our onboard memory. But other than that, this mouse is totally usable without G Hub application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.